Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing a game of toy guns, and this M4 or M16 it looks like, with a folding back stock, but that's just fake. I'm going to be playing Special Forces. The reason I'm playing Special Forces is because I just think this game is really cool, and I'm playing Special Forces with no one. It's just I want you guys. I just can't. But anyways, I dropped my phone, and I just want you guys to enjoy my videos and subscribe. I only have 2 subscribers, which I'm pretty sad about, and I'm not really having good days so far. Now this is what it uses. Thank you. That's the end of the video, YouTube. Bye-bye.